Many engineering projects face the same dilemma. Should we use copper bus bars or aluminum bus bars? People often think copper conducts better, so it must be better, but in reality, both copper and aluminum bus bars have their own advantages and suitable applications. Let's compare them across key dimensions: conductivity, weight, cost, thermal conductivity, oxidation resistance, installation, and strength. Copper has excellent conductivity, around 58 ms per meter. It's ideal for high load power systems. But copper is heavy with a density of 8.9 grams per cubic centimeter. That means more weight and more structural support. It's also expensive but highly corrosion resistant, and it's mechanically strong and easy to install with standard tools. Aluminum has lower conductivity, about 35 ms per meter. Still, it's good enough for most distribution systems. It's lightweight, about 1/3 the weight of copper, perfect for compact or space-limited setups. It's cost-effective, making it a popular choice for budget-sensitive projects. But it's more prone to oxidation. Tin plating is recommended to improve contact reliability. And aluminum needs special terminals and crimping tools for proper installation. Many clients care about two issues: excessive heat rise and unreliable connections. Aluminum bus bars can cause higher temperature rise due to slightly higher resistance, but this can be solved by increasing the cross-sectional area or using tin-plated aluminum. As for connections, aluminum can also be reliable when installed with standard lugs, torque control, and tin plating. Copper is recommended for high current, high reliability applications such as substations, rail transit, or power grids. Outdoor or humid, corrosive environments. Aluminum is ideal for energy storage systems, battery enclosures, solar inverters. Budget-sensitive industrial projects, compact or lightweight modular designs. Copper is not the only option, and aluminum is not a cheap alternative. The key is using the right material for the right project. Compact or lightweight modular designs. If you're selecting conductors for your power distribution project, contact us for copper, aluminum, tin-plated options, and full custom fabrication.